Hello students, welcome to the political science tutorials. In this video, I am going to deal with the topic the introduction to the study of politics. First, I will introduce the study of politics. Political science, it is basically the branch of social sciences. There are various subjects of social sciences like sociology, history, economics, and political science is one among them. Political science, it is basically study the political activity of the state and men who are living in the society. However, as far as definitions of political science is concerned, it is difficult to give one single precise definition because those political thinkers who have given the definitions of political science are different from each other. They have given the definition as per their experience and the importance given by them to the various aspects of political life. So therefore, you will not find a single precise definition, one definition. You will find many definitions given by many political thinkers in different ways. However, the study of political science, it is began with the Greek. It is first originated in Greek, and Aristotle, who is an ancient political thinker, he is considered as the father of political science. Aristotle is mainly belonging to the Greece city. Let's understand the different definitions and meaning of political science. As far as definitions and meaning of political science is concerned, it is basically classified into two. One is traditional definition and other one is modern definition. Traditional definitions are the old definition, classical definitions, and modern definitions are the new definitions. As far as traditional definition is concerned, it includes origin, the study of state, the study of government, study of national institution, and it is supported by various traditional thinkers. To name some, Gettel, Garner, Janet, Catlin, and many more such type of traditional thinkers. Traditional definition basically believes in theoretical part of politics. Coming to modern definitions, modern definition mainly emphasizes on the study of power, study of conflict resolution, study of correlation of many forces, and it is basically believing in the reality, that is real fact of politics. Let's study them one by one. First, I am taking the traditional definitions of political science. So the first meaning or the definition associated in a traditional definition of political science, that is with regard to the origin of politics. The term politics, it is derived from the Greek word that is polis. So polis basically in a Greece, it means a city states. In Greek during the ancient time, it was divided into many city states. And this city state, one city state is considered as a one state. So polis here, it is mainly the city states of Greece. So cities were considered as the states in Greek during the ancient time. So during those time, the Greek philosophers defined politics as a subject deals with all the activities of state. So during the ancient time, the Greek philosopher, they had not made much difference between the state, society and the men. It were considered as inclusive part of the state. So here, that's why it is said here, according to Greek philosopher, politics is the total study of man, society, state and so on. So every aspect which are present in a society, in the state, are studied in politics. That is what according to Greek philosopher during the ancient time. So here in the first meaning, we come to know that politics, it is mainly derived from the Greek word that is polis, which is studying the all aspects of the society, which includes man, state, society, and so on. Second traditional meaning associated to political science, that is politics as the study of the state. So traditional political philosopher believes political science is a science of state, which is mainly studying all the aspects associated to the state. And the political philosophers who are supporting to this meaning, that is politics as the study of state, are R.G. Gettle and J.W. Garner and many more traditional political philosophers. According to R.G. Gettle, he says that political science is the state it is basically studying the state in the past, present and future. So political science, when it is studying the state, it will study its past, its present and the future, and also various political institutions and political theories associated to the state. Next thinker whom I have taken here, that is J.W. Garner. So according to J.W. Garner, political science, it begins with the state and ends with the state. It means that political science studying all the aspect of the state. It starts from its beginning and it is ending also with the state. So everything about the state, the political science studies. So that is what this meaning believes in. Third meaning of political science is the politics as the study of the government. So this meaning, it believes that political science, it studies everything about the government. So here it is said that political science deals with the functioning of the state by the government. So basically state, it is functioned by the government. So how it is functioning the state, that is what has been studied in this particular meaning. And the political philosophers who are supporting to this meaning are Paul Janet, Kathleen and many such traditional thinkers. According to Paul Janet, he says that political science is concerned with the foundations of the state and the principles of the government. So it is basically studying how the state is formed and how its government is formed and how it is functioning. Kathleen believes that political science deals with the activities of the government. So what action government is taking or how it is functioning or how it is carrying out its political activities, that is what is studied in detail in political science. So this is with regard to the third meaning to political science, that it is mainly studying the government. Fourth meaning to political science is that it studies the national institutions. So various national institutions are present in the state and political science is studying about those national institutions. So when studying the national institution, it basically studies how it is emerged, its history, its ideology and many more such things which is related to the national institution. And the political philosophers who are believing in this meaning, that political science mainly study the national institution, are Bradel. He believes that political science is a descriptive study of national political institutions. So political science basically gives in detail, it basically studies in detail, it gives a description, it gives in detail the study of national political institution, how it is evolved, what is its history, what are the ideologies which it is following, how it is functioning, and besides how also it is affecting to the neighboring states. So everything is studied in detail when it comes to the national institution. So these are the four meaning which are associated with the traditional classification with regard to the definition and meaning of political science. Moving next, now we will study the modern definitions and its meaning. So modern definition, it includes that political science as a study of power. So those who are believing in this meaning that political science is a study of power, and the thinkers are like Lasswell, Robert Dahl, and many more such type of modern thinkers. So political science here, it is basically studying the power, influence and authority. So according to Harold Lasswell, he believes that politics is the study of shaping and sharing political powers. So political science, it is giving importance to power, and it is mainly dealing with how to shape and how to share its political power. The next thinker here who is believing that political science is the study of power is Robert Dahl. Robert Dahl, he says political science significantly involves power, rule and authority. So this shows that power is having a very important position in political science, because political science studies about the power which is important in politics. Second modern definition and the meaning is political science as a study of conflict resolution. Conflict resolution meaning solving the conflict. So here conflict are resolved through negotiation. One of the objective which is related to political activity, which is related to politics, is to either bring a change or resist a change. Resisting meaning opposing the change. So one to bring it or oppose the change. So here politics mainly deals with conflict resolution. So whenever any conflict occurs in the state, it could be internal conflict or it could be an external conflict. External conflict meaning the state is having conflict with the other state. Internal conflict meaning within the state, the conflict. So whenever such type of internal or external conflict occurs, then politics brings solution to it. Okay, so the political thinker studies that conflict and they try to give a solution to that conflict. So political science is mainly dealing with the conflict resolution, and the thinker who is believing in this meaning is Peter B. Harris. He states that politics is means for conflict resolution. So politics is basically in order to resolve the conflict. Third modern definition and the meaning, that is political science is a correlation of many forces. Correlation of many forces meaning political science cannot function in isolation. It is related to other social science subject. In the beginning only I have told that political science is one of the social science subject, and it is interdependent subject. It is dependent on history. It is not that only political science is dependent on history or other social science subject. Other social science subjects are also dependent on each other. Getting the point? So political science is also dependent on other social science subjects like history, economics, sociology, anthropology and many more such type of social science subject. It cannot function in isolation. So this is with regard to the meaning and definitions of political science, which we have studied by classifying them into traditional definition of political science and modern definition of political science. The possible questions which can be asked on this particular topic, that is classify the traditional and modern definitions of political science. And next question is, who is called as the father of political science? So I complete with this particular video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can click on the like button, or you can subscribe this channel in order to get the notification of upcoming lectures. Thank you very much.